Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers Coimbatore Tamilnadu. Packers and movers meaning relocation or shifting your business or a home goods from one location to another. Our skill team believes in customer satisfaction and provides quality services like movers and packers services. Best professional packers and movers Coimbatore Tamilnadu. We have an enormous range of effective solutions with years of experience and great skills to perform your moving process smoothly. Right from dismantling, uninstalling, packing, and moving of furniture, large items. Relocation services Coimbatore Tamilnadu. Relocation assistance may cover many areas of the moving process, including packing and unpacking services, transportation and moving costs, temporary lodging, cultural training and language training. Car transport services by car carrier Coimbatore Tamilnadu. In our car transport services you will have to plan extensively and stay at several places during nights. It's not a safe option but good for someone who enjoys very long drives. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter Coimbatore Tamilnadu. To transport your bike, you need special carriers that can move your two-wheeler safely. Bike movers experts do not compromise on the quality of work. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Coimbatore Tamilnadu. For household goods, you are advised to hire packers and movers, and for commercial goods you are advised to hire transport companies that specialize in particular commodities. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution Coimbatore Tamilnadu. Commercial moves come with their own set of management challenges. Regardless of the size, scale or location, the objective should always be to manage moves as efficiently and cost-effectively. Local transporter services within city interstate and intrastate transportation Coimbatore, Tamilnadu. Local transporter delivers all the information about local packers and movers in Coimbatore, Tamilnadu. You can quickly get in touch with trusted and economical moving service providers in Coimbatore, Tamilnadu. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Coimbatore, Tamilnadu. The tasks of international pet relocation can seem pretty confusing. Whether you need ground or flight transportation for your furry or not so furry friend. Goods storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Coimbatore, Tamilnadu. Warehousing logistics includes being prepared for returns, especially when there is no in-store return option. Warehouses safely and securely store products. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Coimbatore, Tamilnadu. The insurance company offers coverage for permanently damaged goods and covers the financial losses that you encounter due to this loss. Insurance protects the business while a claim is arising out of third-party damage. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 94054100002.